Hi guys, Patty from Patty's Crafty Spot, and I'm here to share with you today. I'm going to do the 12 days of Christmas. I'm going to see what I'm going to do. I don't know if I'll do all tags. I'll mix it up. Today is the first day, so I decided I would do a quick, easy tag because I kind of thought of it last minute, and I definitely wanted to get it up for the first. So what I did was I prepped some pieces, and I also went through my stash and grabbed a bunch of stuff. So I did use the tag dies from Crealies, and this happens to be CNLE LT 09, and that is that one. So I use the second to largest to cut out my pieces. The paper pad that I happen to be using right now is from Michaels, and it is the Holiday Bash, and it's a hot buy paper pad. And I just love snowmen, so I decided I would do snowmen. So I've already cut out my pieces. So let's just get gluing and let's see what I do. I kind of have an idea what I want to do. So we'll see once we get it down there. So I am using the art glitter glue to make this. Push that down. And then I just have a little paper doily from my stash. And I like using doilies for things because I think they're so simple, yet they add like quite a bit to something. So that. And then I just had this little random wood piece that kind of gives you the impression that it's like a Polaroid picture. And I just inked around all the edges in blue. And then from the paper pad, there was this cute little snowman. So I figured I would just frame him out. So I'm just going to go ahead and add some glue to my wood piece. And go ahead and stick him down there. Just kind of frame him out. And this glue does dry super fast. So I think I'm going to drop him down about here. I have this sticker that I had in my stash from Jolie's, and it says "Let it snow." And I wanted to see if maybe somehow I could incorporate that. Because I think it's kind of cute. Yeah, I kind of like that. Super cute. And I think I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to attach this guy. Aw, I'm loving it already. And let's see, so I got some little bling, and this is just a roll of Recollections that I also had in my stash. Because what is a Christmas tag without bling all over it? He's so cute. And let's see, what else do I have? Kind of like, let's see, I like these snowflake stickers. So maybe I'll add some of those. I was kind of glad to see that this "Let It" part here was not attached to the snow because I was actually thinking of cutting it off anyway. Because I didn't think it would match. I like that there. Oh, I can get another one in the bottom corner. And I literally just went through my stash to see what I have. And you'd be surprised if you look at your stash at how much stuff you actually own. And literally what you can and can't use. I like that there. I just went with my color palette I was kind of looking at doing. Look at how cute that is. Whoops, my sticker fell off. Actually, let's add a little glue because these are very old. So I'm sure the adhesive is not what it used to be, because I probably had that sticker set 4 or 5 years maybe. Oh my goodness, look at how cute. All that sparkle. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this quick little video. Just something I thought would be cute. Yeah, I don't think that goes. I just like where it says snow. No, I think he's done. I kind of like him the way he is right now. I think he's super cute. And I think it took me longer to try to find what I wanted to use for this than it did to actually create it, because I kind of had the plan ready to go. Anyway, I hope you loved my cute little tag I just made. I think it's super cute. Anyway, thanks for stopping by, and join me tomorrow, and we will see what we can make up tomorrow for the second day. All right? If you like what you see, give me a thumbs up. I would love it if you subscribe. If you have any questions, just let me know. Most of this stuff is from my stash, and it is also very old, other than the Crealies die. I'm not sure. Oh, and the paper pad too. That's new. That's the share. And doilies, you can get them anywhere. So other than that, I don't know if this Julie sticker is still available, because like I said, I've had it 4 or 5 years, so I'm not sure. But anyway, hopefully that gives you some ideas to what to do. All right? So thanks for stopping by, and give me a thumbs up and hit subscribe. Bye guys. Happy crafting.